Hey there, fellow kitchen warriors. If you're staring at that frustrating F93 error code on your Frigidaire oven, especially on 2025 models, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking it all down so you can get back to baking those delicious treats without the hassle. Let's dive in. First off, what exactly is the F93 error code? It typically signals an issue with the oven's door lock mechanism or a related sensor problem. This could mean the door isn't locking properly, or there's a fault in the control board. Don't worry. It's often something you can fix yourself with a few simple steps. Why does this happen? Common causes include a jammed door, buildup of debris around the lock, or even electrical glitches from power surges. For 2025 Frigidaire models, this code might pop up more frequently due to advanced safety features that detect potential hazards. Alright, let's get to the good part: troubleshooting. Step 1. For safety, unplug your oven and let it sit for at least 5 minutes to reset. This simple power cycle can clear minor glitches. Step 2. Inspect the door. Make sure it's closing smoothly and there's no food residue or objects blocking the lock. Give it a gentle clean with a soft cloth. If that doesn't do the trick, try resetting the oven's control panel. Hold down the cancel or off button for about 10 seconds, then plug it back in and test. Still seeing F93? It might be time to check the wiring or the door lock assembly, but honestly, if you're not comfortable with that, call a professional technician to avoid any risks. Remember, always prioritize safety. Never force the door open or work on electrical components if you're unsure. Following these steps could save you a service call and get your oven running in no time. There you have it. I hope this guide helps you conquer that F93 error. If you found this useful, hit that like button, subscribe for more home appliance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking.